In this video, we'll demonstrate how to show a number in 3 decimal places and also without rounding. And this is also going to involve demonstrating how the floor method works. So we've got this value, that value's got 4 decimal places and is just being displayed normally. So we want to use the floor method to actually take only or truncate this number without rounding. So let's see how that would work. So truncated value. We want to use the floor method. So the floor method is actually inside the math module. So we need to import the module and then we can access it through math.floor. And let's just say I'll give it a value. I'll give it that value. Let's see what we get. And let's print it out. The truncated value is okay. So what happens here is that the floor method, what it did is it returns the largest number or the largest integer that is less than or equal to this value. So basically what it did is it returned just the largest integer, okay, which is this value here, and it got rid of all the decimals. But at the same time, it makes sure that this largest integer is less than or equal to the original value we're trying to truncate. Okay, we got rid of those decimals, but we said we want to show the 3 decimal places. So what we can do is multiply that by 1000 because we wanted to round it to 3 decimal places. Okay, so I'll just put a comment here. The floor function returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to value. To our input value. In this case, it's value. Okay. So that's what happened here. But in this, what we want to now do is multiply that by 1000. So now we've got this number. So it actually included those 3 numbers and it returned the whole thing as an integer. Next, what we want to do is divide that back by 1000, and that's it. So now it just divides this value by 1000 and it brings back the decimal points. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you wanted to do increase the number of zeros to change the decimal place. So for example, if I wanted to print it to 4 decimal places, say 4, then I can just divide that by 1000. And so that didn't work because I made a mistake. Oh, with both of them, sorry. So yeah, so now it gave us the whole number, but if I add more numbers, it would still just print out 4 digits. Okay, let's bring things back to how we had it. And so it reflects the title of this video. That's it. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned. I'm going to make a C version of this as requested by one of my viewers on the website, on the channel, that asked me that question. Stay tuned.